The unseen signals of everyday interactions. They are silent codes, they reveal the unspoken attraction. Today, we unveil the mystery around the three signs. A woman who is a secretly attracted to you always exhibits in the grand tapestry of human interaction. There is an underlying thread of nonverbal communication that often goes unnoticed. This silent language can sometimes speak louder than words, especially when I come the delicate dance of attraction. But what if you could decode these signals? What if you could understand the subtle cause that reveal when a woman is secretly attracted to you? This is no mere speculation, no mere conjecture. This is the fascinating realm of social physiology, a field of study that has given us profound insight into the human mind and behavior. It's thought this lens that explore the three telltale signs of secret attraction. These are not just random observation but behavior backed by extensive physiological research and study. Imagine this: you in a room full of people, and out of everyone, there's one person who stands out not because she's the loudest or the most outgoing, but because of subtle cause that seems to pull you in its lunging glance, a gentle touch perhaps, even an itching laughter. Each of these signs has a story to tell, a story of an attraction that's often kept under wraps. Unraveling this sign is not about manipulation or playing mind games. It's about understanding, empathy, and connection. It's about recognizing the silent way we communicate our feeling and learning to respond in kind. So, why is this important? Because understanding this sign can lead to deeper connection, more meaningful relationship, and a better understanding of the people around. It's not about winning someone over, but about fostering genuine connection based on mutual attraction and respect. Now keep in mind, these signs are not a definitive guide. People are complex and their behavior can be influenced by right of factor. However, recognizing this sign can provide a valuable starting point in understanding the enhanced language of attraction. So are ready to decipher these elusive signs of secret attraction. Let's dive into the first sign to the launching glance. Look out is the launching glance. It's not just a causal look, it's a gaze that holds a bit longer than usual. But what the sign behind? This let delve into the fascinating world of psychology and human attraction. Physiologists have long been fascinated with the power of eye contact. It's a fundamental part of human communication, deeply integrated in our social interaction. Studies have shown that prolonged eye contact can lead to interested feelings of attraction and intimately. When someone is interested in you, they are more likely to maintain eye contact for a longer period. It's like they're trying to understand you, to see the world from your perspective. But why does this happen? It's all about the connection. The eye, they say, are the window to the soul. When someone holds your gaze, it's as if they trying to establish a deeper, more meaningful connection with you. They are trying to communicate their interest, their attraction, without uttering a signal word. And it's not just about the duration, but also the intensity. A glance is often accompanied by a intensely a curtain warmth. It's a look that says, I am interested in you. I find you attractive, so next time pay attention. So the eyes that might be telling you more than you think. Moving to second sign, the subtle touch. Subtle touch, it's often a light brush against your arm or a playful tap on your shoulder. Now you might be wondering, what's in a touch? It's just a physical connect, right? But let's delve a little deeper into the physical behind this family simple act. We human beings are social creatures. Our brains are hardware to seek, gift, and interact. Touch is one of the earliest forms of communication. We learn even before we can say our first word. Touch is a form of nonverbal communication that's often overlooked, but it plays a vital role in expressing our feeling and emotion in the realm of attraction. Touch can be a powerful indicator of interest. It can be a way of saying, I am comfortable around you, or I want to get closer. I can be a subtle, a light brush of the finger, or a playful tap on the shoulder virus study have shown that when someone is attracted to you, they are more likely to entail physical connect. That does not mean a full of hug. Of course, it usually subtle, almost unnoticeable, but it is their silent declaration of interest. So that next time you notice these similar insect touches, do not dismiss they. Right, they could be an indication of something more. Remember, a touch might appear accidental, but it could be a sign of a secret attraction. Finally, the third sign, a laugher echo. Is the laugher echo ever notice her laughing as your joke, even the not so funny? One, this could be a separate sign that she attract to you, but what the sign behind the let relive in the fascinating world of married laughter. Married laughter is a physical phenomenon where a person unconsciously interested in the laughter of this they are interacting with. Its a form of non-verbal communication or signifies report connection, and sometimes attraction is all part of our brain's automatic response to social cause. But he does this relate to attraction? We believe is not rich has constantly shown that women are more likely to laugh at the joke of men. They are attracted to it as if our brains have this bullet in mechanism to signal interest or attraction through laughter. Let's take a close look at these studies. For instance, study published in the journal Evolution in Human Behavior found that women laughed more during conversation with men they found attractive. The researchers called it the laughter could be an indicator of a woman interested in a man in a similar via a study published in Personality and Social Physiological Bulletin found the women were more likely to laugh at a man jokes when they were attracted to him. The researcher suggests that laughter is a subtle way of a woman to express their attraction without explicitly stating it is. So what does the all mean of you? It means that if she always laughing at your jokes, even the one that you know are not that funny, it's but be sign that she attracted to you. She might not be laughing because your jokes are hilarious, because she interested in your. Remember, laughter is a powerful tool of building connection. Is a universal laughter that transcends cultures and language. And when I come attraction, it can be subtle, yes, telling. Sign of is she always laughing at your jokes. It might not be your human. She is interesting in, so there you have it. There are three signs. The conclusion: woman who is secretly attracted to you always show the glance, the subtle touch, and laughter echo. We have explored each of these signals in detail. Attraction is scholars understand this sign as often fly under the radar in our daily attraction to keep your eyes and ears open. Remember, attraction often hides plan, so you just need to know where to look.